if I actually see someone actually. I was recording my vacation.
I'm recording this.
Hi, Willow. I'm recording the video and I can't really see it from there. Well, the video can't see it from there. By the way, you can turn the thing up so it's more bright. Like you tap it and then you lift it up and then you lift it up.
Oh!
It makes it bright. It's kind of weird. It looks like it's still, but then you can't hear it for a second. Even though it's like right there. Do you like this? Is it cool? I don't really like it. I'm surprised we don't have more like red, white, and blue ones. They usually do have some red, white, and blue ones, but they've only have two that.
That was actually really cool.
Yeah. Oh, it's about to be.
Richard, what's up? This guy. Daddy.
No, I was talking to my mom. She said, "Hey, Mom." Hey, Mom. What are my rich people?
Oh, they hit.
Yeah. See, you want to go?
Yeah.
By the way, having your flash actually might be a good idea. Yeah, because then they can actually see it. Oh, I thought it was done. I was like,
Oh.
5 feet.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Look on your camera. Is that you?
Did you say what?
This kid, he's gonna fall.
Who even is that?
I don't know, he's gonna fall.
Oh, it's that kid that you hit in the head earlier.
Oh yeah.
What is that green laser? Did you see that green laser? This one has all the juice, though.